Hello, my name is Sukhendu Bikash Kar and I am from Kolkata. I am delighted to share that I have recently been placed at Inspirisys Solution Limited. During my job search, I came across Evision, a reliable IT consulting and service platform, where I enrolled in their internship program. Through this journey, I gained hands-on knowledge in CCNA, commercial networking, Windows administration, and more. I would like to sincerely thank the Evision team for their constant support, guidance, and encouragement throughout my whole journey. A special note of gratitude to Prosenjit sir, Rahul sir, Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Sania ma'am for their mentorship and motivation. Your efforts in providing both knowledge and practical exposure have truly helped me to grow in this skills and confidence. I deeply appreciate the entire Evision family for creating such a professional and supportive environment, which made my whole experience enriching and rewarding. Thank you.